But yeah, let's see. What is up, you guys? It's your boy Taxi on the Lens. We're back at it again with yet another one, man. If you're new to the channel, you know what I'm saying, welcome. Thank you guys for tuning in, for tapping in. Here at Taxi on the Lens, we want to motivate you guys to unlock your full potential as a I get like this when people are around, you know what I'm saying? Oh. It happens, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, okay. You know, it happens. Like, oh, you're hiding right now. Okay. So as an aspiring visual artist on the grind to greatness, man. So let's make it happen. Today we have
Brittany.
We have Brittany here, man. We have Brittany here. So today we're gonna be doing a little bit of behind the scenes, a little bit of like, you know, posing again. You know, that's like the thing that you guys are loving so much. We got an ebook coming out soon for the poses, 101 poses a guy. You know what I'm saying? Taxi Media, we dropping that thing within the next month, actually. It's gonna be relatively cheap for you guys. It's gonna be very nice, and I think you guys are gonna love it. So definitely gonna make that happen. But today she came to me with an idea. She's like, okay, I like the black theme. I wanna do the black. Taxi, what can you do with this, right? I'm like, okay, bet, boom, let's make it happen. Let's make this come to life. She was like, black roses. I'm gonna have this black on. I'm gonna have like a little like black, like what is that, veil? What is a robe? Black like robe, you know what I'm saying? She came to me with the robe. I'm like, all right, bet, we're gonna make it happen. We're gonna do it, you know what I'm saying? So we're here doing it. And we're gonna get straight into the video. No more talking, all of that, you know what I'm saying? Like if you want to, comment if you don't want to, but subscribing is a requirement because we're not at 1,000 yet. We need to get there so that we can get monetized and then you guys can get better content. Think about that. Think about yourself. Think about yourself. It's free. All right, bet. All right, back to what we were doing. Okay. So I know where we're at. All right, bet. Okay. All right, there we go. Yep, there we go. Come forward a little bit, right there. Yep. Okay.
What's the YouTube channel?
Taxi on the Lens. That is the photography one, and then the other one is King Taxi. But Taxi on the Lens is the photography one, and then my personal is King Taxi. There you go, hold it, there we go. There, yep. Don't move. A little bit closer right here. So you guys, I'm shooting on my Sony A7SIII. I got my 50mm beauty dish on this thing, man. Knocking out them skin tones. You know what I'm saying? I like the curvature, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, I like how it's like very like closed. I like that. Okay. I like that, you know what I'm saying? All right, let's see. What are you thinking right now? What are you thinking?
I think I want to do a sitting down one.
All right, you want to do sitting? All right, bet, go ahead. Sitting as in stool or sitting as in floor? You're thinking straight floor? All right, bet. But I do have a stool too. Guys, always be versatile. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you got a stool. If you don't got no stool, you trip. All right, let's make it happen. Gotta lower my light. Remember, 45 degrees, you guys. Keep it, your light 45 degrees. Angled at the model, you know what I'm saying? Angled at the model, 45, LOL. We got these lights back here, 6600 Neewer panel lights hitting up the background. You guys already know, after we get the first half out of the way, then Taxi gets creative. Let's make it happen, man. All right, bet. There we go. He's always in the photo shoot, always. He'll forever be. Go ahead.
My gosh.
Yeah, you can. Go ahead. Casper. All right.
Aww.
Right? He's actually looking too.
That is so cute. Oh,
but yeah, let's see. I like that one. Babe, Casper had a photo shoot. Hold it. I like this one. Hold it. Turn to the side a little bit, like this way.
This way?
Yeah, a little bit, right there, like cornered a little bit, right there, just like that. All right, you guys, I'm gonna have to drop a video like this, like top 3 floor poses or something. That series, I've had like a pose series going on, and that thing's been doing kind of good. Like view-wise, it's been pretty much hitting. I ain't gonna lie. Turn your face more like to boom. Yeah, there you go. Hold it. I like that. Don't move. Brighten this up a little bit more. Here we go. Hold on, don't move. There you go. Yep, hold it. Remember, you guys, always let your model freestyle.
Okay, can I see him?
Yeah, I got you.
Oh, my back.
I was playing around with the light, trying to like even it out and see what I could do.
Oh, that was cute. Okay.
Yeah, I was playing around with the lighting. Don't look. There you go.
Ooh, okay. Okay. Ooh, okay. Oh my god, that was cute. Dang. Okay. Oh, that was actually really cute. I might put the cap on. I'm so sorry. I might put the cap.
Nah, you straight. I ain't gonna lie. What are you thinking right now? Remember, you got roses too.
Oh yeah. Can I see some of the roses? Can I whip my hair real quick too?
Yeah, go ahead. All right, you guys, we got roses that we're adding in.
Oh, there's the cookies. Be right back.
I don't need it. I definitely don't need it.